The U.S. Supreme Court this week allowed a strict new abortion law in Texas. Florida Republicans are expected to push for similar legislation now. That Texas measure bans abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy, which is before most women know they're pregnant. Last week, Florida Senate President said the legislature is already working on its own bill. Savannah Kelly is here with a closer look at the debate in Florida. Savannah?
That's right. Although Texas is a more populous state, Florida actually has higher rates of abortion, the second highest in the nation. Now, in 2018, about 70,000 abortions were performed in Florida. Many of those happened after 6 weeks of pregnancy, meaning that under a Texas-style abortion law, they would not have been possible.
We are probably in a better position than ever before in Florida to enact a heartbeat law.
Although Roe v. Wade provides constitutional protection for a woman's right to have an abortion, Texas lawmakers skirted that ruling by introducing a heartbeat bill that relies on private citizens rather than the government to enforce.
It is a completely novel type of bill, so it's never been tried before on the state level.
Pro-life advocates like Andrew Shervill of Florida Voice for the Unborn see this as a major win, paving the way for similar legislation in Florida.
I would love to have maybe like a personhood bill in Florida that would pass. Right now, that's just probably not politically feasible, unfortunately, but this is the next best thing.
Pro-choice advocates fear the impact this kind of bill could have in Florida.
That doesn't create a pathway under which people get less abortions. It just makes abortion access harder.
Lauren Brenzel with Planned Parenthood says this kind of law would disproportionately impact low-income women who can't afford to travel to other states to get an abortion. Tallahassee's Planned Parenthood sees patients not just from Florida, but from Louisiana, Alabama, and Georgia, which all have tighter abortion restrictions.
This could be the closest place that they're able to access a safe and legal abortion.
More than 800 abortions have been performed in Leon County so far this year. Brenzel says if a 6-week abortion ban does come to the state, Planned Parenthood will explore all of its legal options to keep providing care to its patients.
We're going to fight this the entire way. We're going to make sure people are able to obtain safe and legal abortion.
Fetal heartbeat legislation was introduced in Florida in 2019 and 2020, but did not pass. Live in Tallahassee, Savannah Kelly, WCTV, Eyewitness News.
All right, Savannah, we'll continue to monitor that as legislative session moves closer. Thank you.